everybody, it's Regal from the Creativity Cave. Today I am going to show you a super beautiful, clean and simple card featuring some designer series paper and just a simple die cut. So I hope you're going to love this. I've got Stampin' Up's Regal Winter DSP, which is just stunningly gorgeous. This paper is so beautiful and rich and vibrant and just gorgeous. And what I love about it is not only could you use it for a holiday card if you wanted, but it is great for just winter cards in general. So I love everything about this. Now, this is also the featured suite for this month's All-Star video class bundle. So you can get that PDF from me for free with a $50 purchase in my online store, or you can purchase it for $15, and I'll put a little link up here in the in the description of my video, and then also a link up here for you to purchase it if you're interested, and I'll show you the little sneak peek here in a little bit. So I'm going to start with a thick white card base for my card. Then I embossed this 3 3/4 by 5-inch piece of basic white cardstock with the Timber 3D embossing folder. And this is one of my favorites because it's a really simple, subtle folder without too much happening. And so it just adds a nice little background to this, because the star of the show is this beautiful piece. So I die cut this piece out of the Regal Winter paper with my, this is the Nested Essentials dies, which I have right here, the set of dies, and it's the largest of the curved rectangles. So you could really use any die for this card that you wanted, and you can actually mix them up and it'll be a lot of fun. So I'm just going to pop this up, and in case you're thinking, oh, but that other side is so pretty, just hold on, I'll show you. I've got a bunch more of these that I made so you can see them. They're so pretty. Now, my Regal Winter stamp set comes with a bunch of really nice sentiments. And then I also used a few others, which I'll show you here in a second. But I'm going to take the Missing You from this stamp set along with my Real Red ink pad, because that'll coordinate with the red flowers in here. You could also do Blackberry Bliss, and that would look really nice as well. Okay, so I want my little piece. Now, by the way, this is a little scrap left over from trimming my layers of white cardstock, and I want to stamp this on here. So I think I'm going to just trim it with my trimmer just a little bit. This is how I measure things. Sometimes I put a little notch in the paper with my fingernail, and it turns out that's 2 7/8. I would say 2 3/4 or 3 inches would work great, but it's the little things, it helps. Okay, so I'm going to stamp my Missing You, and got that on there. We'll pop this up. So I popped my label up onto my card, and then I'm going to pop my sentiment up onto my label just because it's so pretty. And then you can embellish this with a variety of different things. I'm going to take my these are the Regal foiled adhesive back dots, and I'm going to use a couple of those, but you could also use whatever gem you like. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon to this. Now you can use ribbon. Actually, I'm going to use twine. I'm going to use some of the baker's twine in our baker's twine essentials, but you could use ribbon or whatever you have, that would coordinate. And I'll show you, I've got a couple of options coming up, because like I said, I made a whole bunch of these cards. Now there's 12 designs on the DSP, and I think I used 8 of them, maybe more. I can't remember. I think I skipped the plaid ones, although those would be perfect for a more masculine card. And then the 2 that are kind of solid but not. I'll show you. I basically used all but this one, this one, this one, and this one. So most of the patterns. But look that's it. It's so easy. Such a simple, pretty card. But let me show you the other ones I made, because I think this would make a lovely little gift set of cards. You could put it in a little box that you create, or a little bag. Here I used some ribbon. This is the wild wheat ribbon. And then the sentiment comes from the Sweetly Scripted stamp set. Now this is on the last chance list, so make sure you get that. It was from the online exclusives. I've got a whole bunch more of these. Here's A Million Thanks. This is twine from the Baker's Twine Essentials. Same thing here, Speedy Recovery, Baker's Twine Essentials. This is a sentiment from the set. And then this is from the Linen Thread Combo Pack, Natural Tones. There's navy and then these two colors. Then I've got Missing You. This one is with the Baker's Twine. A Thanks with the Baker's Twine, and then a Happy Anniversary with that Natural Tones. So look at all these cards. You've got every possible card that you might need, and you can use these up. Now here's what I'm going to do. This is a little sneaky trick, is in our kits collection, and I'll link all the supplies that I used on these projects in the description of this video, but we have this. This is in our kits collection. It's a box and it comes with dividers. And so you can put your cards in here, you know, and divide them up based on the type of card that they are. So I'm just going to tuck them all in here. Now it also comes with a bunch of cards that you can create. Let me grab the instruction sheet so you can see. So you can make 2 different styles of cards with a variety of different sentiments, and then there's little labels to label each of the tabs. So there's seasonal, special occasions, birthday, thank you, miscellaneous. So, you know, you can fill this little box up with cards, and then it is a lovely gift. So this is another way to package these up and give them as a gift. And then of course the kit comes with a bunch of cards, so you could add some more. So it's a really great opportunity to make some projects for gift giving this holiday season. As promised, here is that Regal Winter All-Star Video Class PDF. There are 12 video tutorials featuring this suite of products from our annual or our mini catalog, and they are just so lovely. I really like my project, by the way. And the video tutorials include both a photo as well as dimensions in both English or metric units. So if you are in the UK or South Pacific, you can get the appropriate measurements for the cards that you use, the cardstock, I should say. It's a great instant download if you purchase it, and if you earn it for free, we will email it to you, typically within about 24 hours of your order. So check this out. Again, free with a $50 purchase in my online store, or you can purchase it for $15. Again, links in the description of this video. If you have any questions about these cards, please let me know, and I hope that you'll make them. They're so easy, and really this paper is so stunning. You're going to want to show this off, and I just think these are so easy. I made all these cards in a really short period of time, so you can crank a bunch of them out rather quickly for gift giving this holiday season. Anyway, let me know which design or which sentiment is your favorite, which card is your favorite based on the sentiment. So I can't wait to hear, and I hope you loved these cards. Thanks so much for stamping with me today, friends. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.